पार्थ द्रोजा और आप सभी का स्वागत है एपिसोड नंबर 4 पे ऑफ द पार्थ पॉडकास्ट में। आज के हमारे गेस्ट है ध्रुविक चौथानी जो कि एक्सपोर्टर है, सूरत बेस्ड एक्सपोर्टर है। तो ध्रुविक भाई, कैन यू ब्रीफली इंट्रोड्यूस योर सेल्फ एंड योर कंपनी हियर?
Sure. So, thank you so much, Parth, for first of all inviting me. My name is Dhruvish Chodhani. I own the company named Nabhag International LLP since 2020, and we are exporting machinery and FMCG products.
Okay. Why your firm name is Nabhag International? Any reason behind that?
Yes, definitely. At the initial, we were finding a best name for our company, so we were going to, so many Greek name kind of, right? But after all, the very much intense discussion with my partner, so we concluded like we will go with Lord name, yeah, our Indian David, deity's name, right? So we selected these names.
ओके। तो आप पहले जॉब करते थे, मुझे जहाँ तक पता है। तो आप एक्सपोर्ट बिजनेस में कैसे आ गए जॉब जॉब छोड़ के वैसे? क्योंकि ये एक थोड़ा सा रिस्की मूव भी हुआ आपके, जॉब होना है थोड़ा सा, और जॉब छोड़ के बिजनेस में आना, इट्स अ रिस्की मूव।
It's definitely, I was in a job like my last company. I was working as a maintenance engineer, but from initial I was, interested in logistic and like part of business. So we were sending goods, to Malaysia, Vietnam, and so many other countries. I was a very keen part of that logistic and supply chain system. So from the very first, as I mentioned, like I was interested to explore those kind of the things, and that's why I selected the export business career.
ओके। सो व्हाई डू यू चूज एफएमसीजी ओनली, एफएमसीजी एंड मशीनरी ओनली? बिकॉज एक्सपोर्ट करने के लिए बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं।
So there is no fundamentals or we can say reason behind selecting those SPCG machinery products. But yeah, we were finding some basic step kind of products so that we can penetrate this export market initially. But once we doing that things and we will go find that particular way exporting those machinery and food products. But right now we are all kind of the things, right? We are also exporting the textile products. We are exporting you can say handicraft products. And as I mentioned, like we are not expert of particular products, but yeah, we are expert of merchant exports. So we can export anything if you want, if our clients want, or any kind of the demand is there, we can export that.
ओके, आई गॉट इट। तो व्हाट वर द इनिशियल चैलेंजेस यू फेस्ड व्हेन स्टार्टिंग योर बिजनेस?
There is so many myths like usually we gone through like there's a lot of investment, there's a lot of connections and kind of jugards and all. But yeah, definitely we also have those myths in our mind. But yeah, once we started our business like finance is not a big issue or big deal that we have to face. But yeah, finding the buyer was initially the challenge for us. But once you start
It was for any
exploring, yeah,
finding the buyer, it is the always
ultimately,
challenge.
ultimately, the buyer who will give you the money, right? So yeah, the main part was that the buyer find. But once start like once we started exploring market, so therefore is kind of building in a state, and we get finally our first client.
Okay. So how did you find your first buyer, first international client?
So, at initial what happened, like we gone through every way that we knows, like go through social media, go through expo, go through exhibition, go to personal visit, where people, usually gathered for those kind of B2B or B2C platform. So we were, visiting every kind of the possibilities, and after all, even we don't know like from where we get our first client. So we were, we hadn't even asked our client like from where you find us. But yeah, it's like if you penetrate all the kind of possibility, buyer will find. You just don't have to find your buyers. Buyer will find. Yeah.
Okay. What is your routine? I mean, what does a typical day look like for you?
So there is no typical day we can say like at every instant, or we can say by 24 by 7, our mind is continuously working on, particular exploring things like I can do for this business or industries, what I can serve this, industry, like finding to exploring, international markets, international people, international, you can say culture and all. So usually I came to office, and exploring some marketing mails, we can say communication with our regular party. Uh, we have some ongoing export shipment, so we take follow-ups with our suppliers and all. So usually, yes, this kind of the difficult days we usually go through.
ओके। आर देर आपने बोला कि अभी एक बायर फाइंड्स यू इन, क्योंकि आप हर एक जगह पे जाते थे जहाँ इंटरनेशनल बायर या फिर क्लाइंट हो सकता है। तो आर देर एनी ट्रेड प्लेटफॉर्म्स और गवर्नमेंट स्कीम्स दैट हेल्प यू?
Yes, definitely. Government nowadays, give so many opportunities, and we can say service platform like we can say Indian trade portal kind of things. You can explore HSN code, how many or how much quantity of the product exported to the particular country. Like they usually provide the data metrics, so you just have to go through that with your particular HSN code, and you can explore your products in a worldwide scenario, right? So it's definitely government do so many things. Right now they are developing so many other platforms so that user interface like get much more easy.
ओके। मैं ड्यूटी ब्रांड चलाता हूँ, आपको पता है यहाँ पे। तो यहाँ पे एक ट्रेंड चलता है, जैसे ही ट्रेंड चलता है बदलता है, तो हमें उसके उसके हिसाब से अपडेट रहना होता है। बट यहाँ वो तो यहाँ पे ही है, तो यहाँ पे हमें पता चल जाता है। तो आपको कैसे पता चलता है यहाँ पे बैठे बैठे कि यूरोप में या फिर अफ्रीका में ट्रेंड बदल गया है, आपको उसके हिसाब से अपडेट रहना पड़ेगा। तो हाउ डू यू फाइंड आउट दैट कि नई प्रोडक्ट ये है आपकी, नया ट्रेंड ये चल रहा है तो आपको ये एक्सपोर्ट करना पड़ेगा? हाउ डू यू फाइंड आउट दैट?
Definitely, basically, so many ways we usually follow is like we find a particular, visiting Amazon.com kind of websites, or in case, with their country specific of, we can say B2B platforms, so we explore that kind of platforms. And we got like what kind of the product usually sold in that, on that website, right? So we got basic idea like this is the product, I think have, bulk sell of particular that country. Apart from that, we also find, analyze the data, as I mentioned, like Indian government made. So this kind of a platform, made all over the world kind of countries. So yes, basically you just have to go through that, and you will find after analyze like what kind of the products usually, trendings, or we can say in the market.
हाउ डू जो ओके। अब मेरा अगला क्वेश्चन ये है कि हाउ डू जियो पोलिटिकल इवेंट्स अफेक्ट योर बिजनेस? क्योंकि अभी अभी ट्रम्प की सरकार ने टैरिफ वॉर स्टार्ट किया था। अभी तो 90 दिन के लिए बंद है, शांति है। बट उसके बाद भी कुछ होगा ही होगा। तो
Yes,
ये कैसे इफेक्ट करता है?
definitely there is so many, geopolitical events happen, and that may affect, our businesses. Like first of all, we can say there are so many new trade routes has been, generated after Houthis attacks, in Panama Canal and all. So basically we get affected by, like, the logistic time usually get increases. Initially we were sending shipment from, India to Europe is about 221 days. Nowadays the, logistic time getting increases by 45 to 70 days. Yeah, that definitely affect, the particular one cycle of our business. Initially it will take 30 days to complete one cycle, but nowadays it's almost 60 days. So business directly get half completed this cycle. So once it's there, apart from that, the tariff cam is, kind of that he can we got, a lot of issues regarding that. But yeah, it's ultimate a business. So someday, it's a day, and someday you have to face night. So yeah, there is no cash about that.
ओके। तो हुतीस की वजह से चैलेंज हुआ, आपको टैरिफ की वजह से भी चैलेंज हुआ। तो मुझे एक क्वेश्चन और भी आ रहा है। व्हाट चैलेंजेस यू हैव फेस्ड एंड हाउ डिड यू ओवरकम? सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज कौन कौन सा था अभी तक आपके लिए?
There is a lot of challenge, in a specific export business. If you are coming for just earning money, that's no way to earning money. Like business is challenges you every day. each and every steps that you have to find, whether solutions or like it's a neat kind of way. Like yeah, so definitely you just always have to stick about your fundamentals. Like you just have to think like no matter what kind of the problems you face, but you just have to create kind of we can say attitude like you always will stand yourself. Yeah. So you must have to stick with that.
ओके। जैसे कि मैं आपको पता है कि मैं टी शर्ट बिजनेस में हूँ अभी। टी शर्ट बिजनेस में सस्टेनेबिलिटी के बहुत बूम कर रही है। तो आपकी बिजनेस में क्या है वैसे, कोई सस्टेनेबिलिटी से इफेक्ट हो रही है? सस्टेनेबिलिटी जाने के लिए कोई कदम उठाए जा रहे हैं कि क्या है?
The sustainability, if we can discuss in terms about kind of our buyers, right? So in export business, like what happens if you connect with one buyer, usually it takes to build relationship permanent with them is about 6 months to 1 year. But once if it is built, so there is no chance to break it. So once a buyer connect with you, it will usually chance that they will done business with you for your entire life. So we can say in that terms of sustainability. Apart from that, if you think about products, so I think there is no word exist sustainability for the particular products because there is not a single product in export or we can say any kind of the product which is connected world with sustainability. This is all the myth and thing. Yeah. So let's just not focus on it. Just focus on business. Everyone do everyone export business. Everyone export products. So we also believe in kind of that products. But yeah, we just follow one fundamentals like we will not export any kind of the products which I not personally consume. So yes, these are our fundamentals from our international LLP we follow.
ओके। सो गुजरात इज द बिगेस्ट एक्सपोर्टर इन द कंट्री।
Second most important,
तो फर्स्ट वन, हु इज द फर्स्ट वन?
Maharashtra.
महाराष्ट्र।
Yeah.
एंड वाई
You
सो?
know, yes, because so many factors affect topmost exporting state, like for example, geopolitical benefits. We can say some business-minded people were existing in Maharashtra, some real estate business, some textile, and apart from the giant business, we can say diamond business. So the hub is all about belongs to the Maharashtra, and apart from that, we can even say like our financial capital is also the Maharashtra, right? So there are so many other fundamentals, or we can say health. Usually, Maharashtra got is like they have so many numbers of airports, internal logistic systems, and their government also support the exporters to the topmost. Yeah, so there are a lot of factors just because of that Maharashtra is on the top of the export numbers.
आप आप सूरत बेस्ड हो, राइट? और
Yes.
सूरत में हजीरा पोर्ट है। तो हाउ डज बीइंग बेस्ड इन सूरत बेनिफिट योर बिजनेस?
Particular me, I am getting the own kind of things like born in a Surat and business in Surat. Like usually what happen like people apart from the Surat or apart from Surat have to send their shipment from either nearest ICD port or we can say some JNPT or we can say some Mundra ports, right?
राइट।
So the most important thing is like they have to we can say pay a lot of things just because of to send shipment via roads, right? Like 40 to 50,000 per shipment they have to lost. There is no kind of a solution of that. So being nearby ports like Hazira is the most facilitated things in specifically export. Like we usually spend 9 to 10,000 we can say, and our goods reach to Hazira port. So we can give most competitive price to our customers as well, and definitely we will definitely get benefited from our customers as well.
ओके। आर देयर एनी लोकल एसोसिएशन इन सूरत और एक्सपोर्टर कम्युनिटीज़ जो आपको हेल्प करती है, ग्रो करती है?
Just lot personal communities that I am belongs to, like there were so many personal groups or like-minded people who are also in export business. Apart from that, so many individual personalities I am connecting with, and apart from that, the union we can say like SCCI. So SCCI is India's one of the most we can say oldest community who support even domestic business as well. And apart from that, there are 84 kind of they have usually started mission for 84, and they connected all kind of the exporter to the 84 country, and all 84 we can say 84 kind of the products. So each like terms like connected with 84, 84, 84. So yes, definitely there is so many others. We can say companies, private companies, they supported into local or we can say newbies exporter to connecting with international clients. Yeah. So yes, definitely.
What are your roles in the your LLP, and what your partner's role in your LLP, and how many partners you are?
So basically, we are two partners in our company. Right? Role and responsibilities are divided like kind of finance and some other kind of the responsibilities are done by my partners. And apart from that, main things like negotiate with the clients, finding clients, supply chain management, QCs and all. So these all are my responsibilities. So from day start to day end, these all are handled by me.
Okay. The last question for today. What advice would you give to 20-year-old who is starting or want to start export import business?
Definitely, doing export is itself a business, we can say, like you can explore either your fantasy, we can say either your interest, we can say like your most great things, like in terms of traveling you get some good amount of money as well, you can explore yourself via so many new places, new people and new cultures as well. So apart after all this export business is great, all kind of the business, we can say, I will like to say export is a topmost business. It's a pure business. There is no kind of LLM or we can say like to cheat some people or no. It's a pure business. So I will definitely suggest some new 20-year peoples to export, like just to earn foreign currency for our country is the topmost priority. First priority is our army. Second priority is to earning forex money, right? If any country earn the forex money, definitely they can grow, either we can say in terms of GDP, either in terms of sustainability. So definitely, I suggest everyone to do business, specifically export. And
सो यही थे क्वेश्चंस आपके लिए मेरे दिमाग में, तो मैंने यही पूछे। आपको कोई और चीज़ जो बतानी है हमारे दर्शकों को?
definitely, अगर कोई भी चीज के लिए if you want either need guidance regarding any kind of the business, you can connect Parth Rosen. So he will always be there, and I think definitely he will try to connect some more different industries of people, and will definitely try to share his knowledge to the community. Thank you.
श्योर। थैंक यू ध्रुव।